tutorial, we are discussing about how reference variables are assigned. First of all, what is reference variable in Java? Before we started with the reference variable, we should know about the following facts. When we create an object of a class, then a space is reserved in heap memory. Let's understand with the help of an example. Demo d1 is equals to new demo. Then we create a pointing element or simply called reference variable which simply points out the object, and the reference variable is d1 which simply finds out or which simply points out the object, and this object created a space in heap memory. Here is a diagram. With the help of diagram, let's understand this. Demo d1 is equals to new demo. D1 is a reference variable which refers the object of demo class, and the object of demo class is inside the heap memory. Here we can see that it is inside the heap memory, and this object can be referenced by a variable known as D1. So D1 is a reference variable. Understanding reference variable. Reference variable is used to point object or values. Classes, interfaces, arrays, enumerations and annotations are reference types in Java. Reference variables hold the object or values of reference types in Java. Reference variables can also store null value. By default, if no object is passed to a reference variable, then it will store a null value. You can access object numbers using a reference variable using dot syntax. Reference variable dot instance variable name or method name. Let's see an example how we can utilize the reference variable. About reference variable in Java. First of all, we can create a class demo, and inside the demo class we create an instance variable x is equals to 10 and int display, a method, and inside the display method I just print the value system.out.println x and just return 0. And then public inside the main method I just make a reference variable of object demo d1 is equals to new demo. Here d1 is one reference variable and just print it, and again we just made a object that is d2 is equals to new demo, and d2 is the second reference variable, and just print d2, and here I write d1 dot display and I write d2 dot display also. And hence I write d2 dot display. Just save it. Let's execute it. Zavak demo dot java. Hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java demo. See, first of all it will print the value of d1, that is one reference variable, and it is demo 15 by db9742. Secondly, it will print the value of d2 location, that is d2 reference variable, and it will give the different value. So both d1 and d2 are different reference variable, that's why it shows the different value. And then x is equals to 10 and return 0, and x is equals to return 0, because it both can refer to a same variable, that is x. So in this way we can, with the help of this thing, we can achieve the reference variable in Java. And we all know that reference variable in Java is used to locate the memory in a heap. Thank you.